I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and the document is open. Click the blue Share button to begin. Once done, you'll see the sharing dialog where you can add people or create a link. Make sure the doc you opened is the correct version because permissions apply immediately. You can start by typing email addresses or choosing Get Link. These are the first actionable steps that take you from viewing to actually granting access, so do them now and prepare the recipient's permission level. Next, focus on who gets what level of control. Select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor for each person you add. Once chosen, decide whether to use Restricted or Anyone with Link. Restricted is safest, link access is faster. After that, click Copy Link or type emails and add a message if helpful. Make sure to check the advanced settings for expiration or download restrictions. These control long-term access and reduce accidental edits, so set them before sending notifications. Finally, confirm your choices and click Send to notify people or paste the copied link into a message. Once sent, verify by opening Share settings to review or adjust permissions and ownership. If you transfer ownership, make sure the recipient accepts it. If something goes wrong, sign out and back in, ensure recipients use the correct Google account, and confirm the link setting isn't set to restricted when you wanted broader access. This single check resolves most permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.